Are you looking for iPads/laptops for your kids? Stop looking for it, we have got some for you. Here we go. Our first product is Osmo, Base for Fire Tablet, educational learning games for boys and girls, STEM toy gifts for kids from 3 to 11 years. To launch into the Osmo universe, just stand your Fire tablet in this base, Osmo Base for Fire Tablet, clip on the reflector and play. We know kids learn by doing, so each game uses physical action. Whether it's supercharging drawing skills, or physics meets creative problem solving, Masterpiece and Newton games, Osmo sees and reacts to every real-live move. Osmo games bring a child's creative imagination to life with hand-held pieces that interact with a Fire tablet and an Osmo base, no Wi-Fi necessary for gameplay. An Osmo base for iPad is required to play this game and ships with an Osmo base for Fire tablet. Approved by parents and teachers worldwide, used in over 31,000 classrooms. If you love this product and want to buy for your kids, the link is in description, check it out. Our second product is Tanoshi Scholar Kids Computer, a kid's laptop for ages 6 to 12, 10.1-inch HD touchscreen display, blue, purple. The Tanoshi Scholar Laptop Computer. The Shark Tank-winning, US-based small business, Tanoshi, has designed and built a laptop for kids, the Tanoshi Scholar. With greater durability, more educational content developed by award-winning educators, and with Zoom and Google Meet compatibility, the Scholar is ideal for distance learning. The Android 10-based Tanoshi Scholar has all of the features of the Tanoshi 2-in-1, including a detachable ergonomic keyboard, preloaded apps for distance learning such as Google Docs and Sheets, learn-to-code apps, and the ability to use with or without internet access. Tanoshi believes every child should have a reliable computer at home, where they can develop the skills necessary for future success. If you love this product and want to buy for your kids, the link is in description, check it out. Our third product is Contixo Kids Tablet V8, 7-inch HD, ages 3 to 7, Toddler tablet with camera, parental control, Android 11, 16 GB, Wi-Fi, learning tablet for kids, pink. A perfect online learning Android 11 Go tablet for kids. Easy to use parental control, rest easy knowing your kids are interacting with content you can trust from Kids Place or Google Play. Make learning truly fun, turn your tablet into canvas with painting apps. Store all your little one's favorites with 16 GB built-in storage. Expand your storage up to 128 GB anytime with your micro SD card. Capture happy and precious moments with facing and rear camera. Supporting Bluetooth and 189 languages, including Spanish. Enjoy long-lasting battery life, up to 6 hours of mix usage. A perfect gift for children in birthday, Christmas, and upcoming holiday seasons, to keep children engaged in fun and parents' mind at peace. Featured as a most powerful kids tablet and award-winning tablet, Women's Choice Award received. If you love this product and want to buy for your kids, the link is in description, check it out. Our fourth product is Azpen K749 Kids Tablet Android 10 OS Google Certified Pre-installed e-learning app and games protective case. The Wonder Tab is a 7-inch, 1024 by 600 LCD HD tablet, integrated with iWawa Kids Mode interface for learning as well as fun kids games, and comes with a powerful quad-core 1.3 GHz processor, 1 GB RAM, 16 GB storage with a microSD card expansion slot up to 32 GB, and runs latest Android 10 QoS. Features include a 3.5mm headphone jack, built-in microphone, and micro USB port. Enjoy millions of applications through Wi-Fi and Google Play Store. With the clear LCD display and HD audio, you can stream your favorite music and videos. The dual cameras allow for endless fun through pictures. You can take selfies, Snapchat, and photography the world around you. Kids Safe Browser. Enjoy the easy-to-use iWawa interface for accessing preloaded kids applications. In addition, parents can download kid-friendly and age-appropriate content from the iWawa store. If you love this product and want to buy for your kids, the link is in description, check it out. Our fifth product is Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 Android Tablet, 10.5-inch LCD screen, 64 GB storage, long-lasting battery, kids content, smart switch, expandable memory, dark gray. When it comes to family, sharing is caring. Bring home a quality tablet everyone can easily enjoy with Samsung Galaxy Tab A8, the awesomely entertaining tablet enhanced by the Galaxy ecosystem experience. Enjoy a sleek new design and seamless connectivity between your Galaxy devices, answer a phone call on your tablet, instantly share files with Quick Share, and so much more. The 10.5-inch LCD screen gives everyone plenty of room to do their thing, whether they're learning, watching videos or catching up on emails. You'll multitask more, too, stream a movie and browse social media at the same time with multiple windows and apps open on the same screen. Samsung Kids sparks interest in learning with a library of games and challenges that help your kid learn good digital habits in a safe environment. All of this, plus an upgraded chipset, a long-lasting battery asterisk and up to 128 GB of storage, makes Galaxy Tab A8 an affordable tablet that's perfect for families who like to share. Asterisk battery life may vary depending on network environment, usage patterns and other factors. If you love this product and want to buy for your kids, the link is in description, check it out. And wait for our next video on interesting products. Goodbye.